A bus, a car and an auto got submerged in water at Zakira underpass in Delhi, but the driver and passengers were rescued just about in time, preventing a tragedy. The rain resulted in waterlogging at several places in Delhi NCR, which led to huge traffic snarls. Waterlogging was reported from Prahaladpur, Firozshah Kotla Road, Azadpur, Raja Garden and Mayapuri. The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted that light to moderate intensity of rain will continue in Delhi and the suburbs. Greater Noida, Gurugram and Ghaziabad will also witness rain. The torrential rain in the national capital has brought the much-needed relief to the people from acute humid weather. In July of this year, Delhi received over 12% above normal rainfall.
These oceanic look coming from Timarpur area, where both the sides road have completely now submerged. In fact, there could be any casualty, and perhaps why the manhole is being protected by the local worker, because that's how it's creating a picture in many parts of the national capital, Delhi. Last late night, there have been non-stop rain in Delhi. In fact, there is an alert has also been issued by the Met Department. And the forecast says that it is going to be continue from light thunder showers to moderate rain, and perhaps why there have been traffic jam reported in many areas. But here in Timarpur, in this part of Delhi, both sides of the stretch now completely submerged after a few hours of rain spills, and there is still very unlikely any relief further. We have seen how the vehicles were stuck in many parts, traffic jams. And now, since the rain continues, there is unlikely to be any relief today. But people need to be very careful. But this is also raising question on the authorities, civic agencies and the government. Where are the preparations to deal with the monsoon and any flood-like situation in the national capital? For now, in Timarpur with Sanjay Kumar, this is Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India Today. Dark sky, rain spills and thunder showers. This is how the national capital woke up this morning. And there have been moderate to thunder showers and somewhere even the heavy rain spills since early morning today across Delhi and NCR. Here in the Lutyens zone, still it's a moderate rain shower, but the Met Department, the Weather Department has issued a forecast of orange alert across Delhi and NCR. In fact, the Met Department has also predicted there is possibility of waterlogging in low-lying areas. Since 2 a.m. early morning, there have been non-stop rain across Delhi, which has rather, in fact, given some relief from the humidity, huge, excessive humidity that Delhi and NCR, the people have been suffering for many days. This morning, it has brought some relief, but at the same time, the orange alert has also been issued looking at the heavy rain. It's pouring non-stop in many areas. However, in central Delhi and few parts, there is a moderate thunder showers. But since the prediction is particularly of the waterlogging in low-lying areas, in the meanwhile, the Delhi Police Control Room has received an alert call of waterlogging in 6 areas. So clearly, this morning has brought some relief for Delhi, but at the same time, it could also spoil your morning, could create a traffic jam. So be careful when you are stepping out before going to your office. But for now, in Lutyens, Delhi with Sanjay Kumar, this is Ashutosh Mishra.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.